have to start question number 14. I'll read the question. A circular flower garden. Let's make a garden. It's a flower garden and it is in shape of a circle. Circular flower garden has an area. So the area is 314 meter square. Now a sprinkler means a kind of a tube well or something which is in form of tube well only. It is used to give water. Okay, it is used for watering and water, and it keeps taking round like this. Okay, so that water reaches to the entire area till where the water can go. So a sprinkler at the center of the garden. Here, a sprinkler is there at the center of the garden and it is moving and it is watering the entire garden. Now whether it is watering the entire garden or not, let's see. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. So it is covering an area whose radius is 12 meters. Okay. Sprinklers covering areas radius is 12 meters. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? So is the sprinkler able to water the entire garden? For that we need to find the area what the sprinkler is covering during watering. Okay. If the area is greater than or equal to the area of the garden, then yes, it is covering the area of the garden, or if the area is smaller, then it's no. Excuse me. So let's do it. So what we have to find out, children? We have to find out the area of the area covered by the sprinkler and then compare the two areas. So whatever is given, we are going to write that. What is given here? Area of the flower bed. So let's write that. Area of flower bed, that is 314 meters squared. Okay, and what is given? Radius. Radius of, we have to see the question part. What is written in the question? We will take the same part. Okay, so what is written? Radius of the area covered by the sprinkler. That is 12 meters. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the area which is being covered by the sprinkler. Which is equal to pi r square. Now it's already written. Take the value of pi as 3.14. Into what is our 12 into 12. So 12 12s are 144. We multiply 144 and 3.14. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 5, 4 3s are 12. Same will come because we are multiplying by 4 once again. So 1256, double cross, 314. How many places is decimal, children? 1, 2. 1, 2. 452.16 meter square. Now, the area covered by the sprinkler is 452.16 meter square, and the area of the flower bed is 314 meters square. So, can you make out who's greater? The area of the sprinkler is greater. So, is it able to water the entire area? Yes, in fact, it is watering the extra area also. One more thing, children, when you see the area, when you see 314, and you see the value of pi, 314, right? Already it is 314, and now we are going to multiply in that radius and that to square. So it is but obvious that this area will come greater. So seeing here only the two values, we can answer yes or no. But since it can come as a 5 marks question, so we need to solve. So here is the solution. Now here we will write yes, the sprinkler will be able to water the entire flower garden. Since 314 meters square is smaller than 452.16 meters square, the sprinkler will, let's see the question part. Will be able to cover the entire area of the garden. So this is your answer. Now we shift to the next question. We move to the next question. Now we have to start the 15th question. Find the circumference of the inner circle and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. So let's make the figure first and foremost. And what we have to find out, children? We have to find out the circumference. And we all know what is the formula for the circumference? That is 2 pi r. That means we need to know the value of pi, which is, I think already it is written, take pi is 3.14. And we need to know the radius. So let's see in the figure whether the radius is given or not. This is 19 and this is 10. That means this entire width is 10, correct? So, if the radius of the outer circle is given 19 and the radius of the inner circle is this much, these are, how to get it? Very simple, we know this is 10, that means this entire portion is 10, yes? So, if from the total radius of the outer circle, we remove the width, this width, that is 10. We'll get this, we'll get the value of r, correct? So the radius will be 10 minus 9, which is 19 minus 10, sorry children, 19 minus 10, which is equal to 9. Okay? So this is the radius of the inner circle and this is the radius of the outer circle. Now whatever is given, we write that and then we find the circumference. 3.2 into 3.14 into radius. What is the radius? First we find out the outer circle, children. Outer circle, that is 19. Okay, so multiply 2 and 19. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 3. So it is 38. Okay, then we multiply 38 by 3.14. So 3.14 multiplied to 38. From where is this 38 coming? 2 into 19 gives us 38. 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. So 38. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 3s are 24, 25. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 24. 3 3s are 9. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places here also. So it is 119.32 meters. Okay. So this completes the circumference of the outer circle. Similarly, we will find the circumference of the inner circle. Okay. So let's do that. Pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into what is the radius here? The radius here is 9 meters. 2 9s are 18, so 3.14 is multiplied to 18. 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 3s are 24, 25. 1 2 1 2. So this completes your question number 15, children. Now we will start question number 16. Let's start. Question number 16. Now here it is written, take pi as 22 by 7. So here we will take the value of pi as 22 by 7. So how many times a wheel of radius? We all know what is a wheel? Circular in shape, whose radius is given. How much? 28 centimeters. Must rotate. Rotate means like this. Now it is rotating, so it will move forward, okay, like this. So must rotate to go 352 meters. So this is 352 meters. It has to reach till here. Correct? So children, one rotation, that is one round like this. Correct? That means one length of boundary, and length of boundary means circumference. So for one rotation, we will find out the circumference. Okay? After that, what we will do? I will tell you. Okay? So first thing what we have to do? We have to find the circumference. So let's do that. You will make this diagram. Radius of the wheel 28 centimeters. Circumference of the wheel, that is 2 by r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. Now 7 ones are and 7 fours are. Then this becomes 44. 44 into 2 becomes 2 fours are 8. No, this becomes 88. 88 into 2. 2 8 are 16. 176 centimeters. Okay, that means in one round it is completing or it is covering 176 meters. Okay, for one round it is completing 176 meters. So how many rounds will it take to reach 352 meters? So how to take out that? For that we need to count the rounds. So how do we count the round? Now one round. Okay, one circumference, one round. Second circumference, second round. Third circumference, third round. Okay, so we keep removing the circumference. One circumference, one circumference. Okay, removing means lessening. Okay, and lessening means minus, 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 minus. That means repeated subtraction, and repeated subtraction means division. That is why we will divide. Nicely you understand, children? Why are we doing division? Because we will remove the distance every time. Yes? For one circumference we have known that it will complete 176 centimeters. So to reach 352 meters, we keep removing 176, 176, 176, 176 to count the number of rounds, and keep removing means minus, 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 minus means repeated subtraction, which is actually division. So here we will divide the total distance to be covered by the distance covered in one round. Okay. So let's complete. Let's finish it off. Now here, children, what we will write? First we write this, what is given. Distance to be covered by the wheel. How much? 352 meters. So let's write. That is 352. Children, it is meters. Yes, one is in meters, one is in centimeters. So let's convert it into centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 352 meters will be 352 into 100 centimeters. So 352 into 100 to convert it into centimeters. So 35200 centimeters. Now we want to know how many rotations the wheel will take. Yes, how many times rotations. So number of rotations taken by the wheel. Number of rotations taken by the wheel is equal to, is it coming on the screen? Yes. 1 minute. Number of rotations taken by the wheel is equal to total distance upon one circumference of the wheel. Circumference of wheel. So what is the total distance? That is 352 double 0 upon 176. Okay. So if you see here, just it's double. 176 twice of 176 is 352. That is 176 multiplied by 2 is 350. 176 multiplied by 2 is 352. So 176 1 is 176. 176 2 is 352. 176 is 0 and 176 is 0. So the answer is 200 rotations. Okay, and this completes your question number. Which one, children? 16. Now we have to start 17. So let's start 17. Now, listen to the question, children. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeters long. So, let's make a circular clock. Let's make the minute hand, means the longer hand. Suppose this is the minute hand. So, it is how many centimeters long? 15 centimeters long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So how far does this tip is moving in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Yes, that means this tip in 1 hour it will take 1 complete round. 1 complete round means 1 rotation, and 1 rotation means circumference. That means we have to find the circumference for finding the distance. Distance moved by the minute hand. Okay, or distance covered by the minute hand. So let's start. What is given? That we will write first. Radius of length of instead of writing radius directly I have written radius actually, because see, this will take the distance like that, circular round. So this only becomes the radius, correct? So length of the minute hand in bracket radius, which is equal to 15 centimeters, children. Okay. Now we have to find out distance covered in 1 hour. Distance covered by minute hand in 1 hour is equal to circumference. Circumference of the circular distance. Circular distance, why I am writing circular Okay, that is right. Circular distance. So if you want, you can even label it here that this is the circular distance. Circular distance. That is 2 pi r. Is it written take pi as value something? Let me check in the, yes, 3.14. Take the value of pi as 3.14. So 2 into 3.14 into the radius. What is the radius? 15. Now 15 2 gives us 30. So 3.14 will be multiplied to 30 when we multiply by 3 and add a 0. Okay? So 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 4, 3 3s are 9 and 1 0. So 9420. How many decimal places, children? In the multiplicands and multipliers and extra multiplication numbers? That is 1 2. So 1 2. Decimal will come here and the answer will be in centimeters. So this completes your exercise, children.